How to delete messages in TikTok from both sides. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the messages in TikTok from both the sides. The very first step is to launch your TikTok. After you open your TikTok, make sure that you have signed in to your respective account. Now just choose any account that message you wanna unsend. For that, you must fulfill the requirement, like you must follow the person, and the person you are gonna delete the message for should also follow you back, so that the message won't be sent like message request sent, like what it is shown in the screen here. If it is not a request, then you can simply long press on the very message, and then you will see the option of unsend. When you tap on the unsend option, then your message will be unsent from the both sides. That's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.